BNB price prediction 2024 to 2030. After notable changes in its executive team, Binance has shown notable resilience and prospects for recovery. The departure of Changpeng Zhao, Binance's CEO, who was also embroiled in legal challenges, initially caused a decline in the value of Binance Coin, BNB. Despite this initial setback, the cryptocurrency has shown a positive trend. Recent news and opinion on BNB. Alt layer launch, decentralized rollup and staking on Binance. A decentralized protocol for rollups, Alt layer, Alt, supports native and restaked rollups, including optimistic and ZK rollup stacks. Users can farm Alt tokens by staking BNB and FDUSD in separate pools until January 24, 2024. Alt is set to be listed on Binance on January 25, 2024, with various trading pairs. The Alt token, with a maximum supply of 10 billion, serves as an economic bond, enables governance voting, and incentivizes protocol operators. Alt layer enhances security and decentralization through its innovative restaked rollups concept, offering unique opportunities for farming and staking on the Binance Launchpool platform. Binance boosts BNB presence with expanded margin trading options. In its recent update, Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange, has rolled out new margin trading pairs for popular assets like Solana, Sol, NF Prompt, NFP, and Enzyme, MLN. Notably, the focus on Binance Coin, BNB, is evident with the introduction of BNB, USDC pairs on both cross and isolated margins. The move aims to enrich the trading experience, offering users greater portfolio diversification and increased flexibility in trading strategies. Alongside these developments, Binance has also launched USDC margin perpetual contracts for various cryptocurrencies and updated its Coin Margin Futures liquidity provider program. As of the latest market update, Sol has seen a 6% decline, trading at $107.91, while BNB remains stable at $318, and SEI has experienced a 3% decrease to $0.731 after a recent 60% rally. Binance and CEO CZ fined $2.7 billion in CFTC verdict for money laundering charges. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has imposed fines of $2.7 billion on Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and $150 million on its former CEO, Changpeng Zhao, CZ. The penalties stem from allegations of violating U.S. anti-money laundering and sanctions laws, with Binance accused of facilitating over 100,000 suspicious transactions, including those linked to terrorist groups and illegal content. CZ stepped down as CEO in November, pleading guilty to anti-money laundering law violations. The fines highlight regulators' efforts to enforce anti-money laundering regulations in the cryptocurrency sector, as Binance aims to rebuild trust under new leadership led by CEO Richard Teng. BNB price prediction 2024. Our Binance Coin, BNB, price prediction for 2024 anticipates that the asset could reach a maximum price of $511.62 by the end of December. We expect an average trading price of $459.36 and a floor price of $443.23. BNB price prediction 2025. Looking ahead to 2025, our price forecast for Binance Coin suggests that the cryptocurrency could reach a maximum price of $776.71. Our estimations also propose an average value of $667.40 for BNB. In more conservative market conditions, the asset could still maintain a minimum price of about $644.43. BNB price prediction 2026. With respect to our BNB price forecast for 2026, we posit that BNB could scale up to a maximum price of $1,107. Our model projects that the asset could still achieve a minimum price of $899.36 and an average price of $932.73. BNB price prediction 2027. For the 2027 financial year, our Binance Coin price evaluation infers that BNB may reach a maximum valuation of $1,593. We expect an average trading price of approximately $1,342. The minimum price for the digital asset could be close to $1,305. BNB price prediction 2028. Our Binance Coin price prediction for 2028 suggests that the ongoing growth of the Binance ecosystem will contribute significantly to BNB's future price action. Our projections foresee a maximum price of $2,268, an average price of $2,047, and a minimum trading value of $1,980. BNB price prediction 2029. For the year 2029, our Binance coin price analysis predicts a sustained upward trajectory for the asset, potentially reaching a maximum price of $3,426. We also forecast an average trading price of about $2,946 and a minimum price of $2,864. BNB price prediction 2030. According to our Binance coin price prediction for 2030, BNB could attain a maximum market valuation of $4,915. In addition, our forecasts suggest an average market price of $4,281 and a minimum price of $4,134. BNB price history. Binance Coin, BNB, was launched in July 2017 through an initial coin offering, ECO, with an initial price of around 10 cents. As a utility token for the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, it offered users reduced trading fees. In late 2017, BNB's price saw a significant increase, aligning with the overall cryptocurrency market boom, and reached its first major peak in January 2018, hitting approximately $24. However, it experienced a decline following the broader market correction. Throughout 2018 and 2019, BNB's price experienced gradual growth. A key development during this period was the launch of Binance Chain in April 2019, which introduced Binance DEX, a decentralized exchange. This led to BNB reaching new highs, going above $30 in June 2019. Despite the global economic uncertainty due to the COVID-19 pandemic, BNB maintained relative stability and saw an upward trend in 2020. This was partly due to the growing popularity of Binance as an exchange and the expansion of its ecosystem. BNB experienced a significant bull run in early 2021, reaching an all-time high above $600 in May 2021. This surge was attributed to the overall bullish cryptocurrency market, the growth of decentralized finance, DeFi, and Binance Smart Chain's increasing popularity. Binance Coin's price dynamics in 2022 were characterized by volatility and were influenced by a combination of macroeconomic factor and regulatory developments which led to a bearish scenario that took BNB to less than $220 in June and an average price of $250 in December. BNB continued to be a significant player in the cryptocurrency market in 2023, recovering to about $350 in April, but soon lost momentum, reaching about $205 in October, mostly influenced by the prolonged crypto winter. The bulls got back into the market in late December and BNB climbed back to about $325. At the time of writing, April 20, 2024, Binance Coin is trading at about $317.60. Conclusion. The Binance Coin ecosystem has continued to draw investors who use the platform to explore opportunities its ecosystem presents, including DeFi, the crypto market, and NFTs. The token has risen to glory within a short time as more applications are built on the smart chain. It has several use cases, making it engraved in the trading experience of several traders using the Binance crypto exchange platform. With Binance Chain expertise, users can deploy smart contracts that fit their application needs or virtual machines that dictate exactly how the blockchain should operate. Binance has built one of the most secure trading platforms in the world where users can enjoy different security features, such as KYC, 2FA, and anti-phishing code, to protect themselves against nefarious actors. Users can also rest assured that their funds are safe in Binance. Currently, BNB is among the top 5 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Despite the current market downturn, the price predictions of BNB are relatively optimistic since the token demonstrates healthy growth behavior, and the trading platform continues to grow and amass new users. The overall development of the Binance exchange could directly translate to the positive growth of the BNB coin. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.